Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can copy doodles from the Notes app to Instagram stories. So first, open up your Notes app and select the pen tool. You can change the color here too if you'd like. Just gonna choose this color. And then I'm just going to draw some hearts. Okay, maybe I need to draw better hearts, like so. I'm just gonna add one heart actually. Select this brush, like this pen tool, and sort of circle around the drawing. Select it, select copy, and go to Instagram stories and select add sticker. You can paste more if you'd like. And you can do this like a lot of times. For instance, you want to sort of color it in a little bit. That's very messy. Maybe not. I'm just going to write Jenny. And copy that. And I'm just going to paste it on text if you can't see the add sticker. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!